This was definitely a must-win game for us. We had to come out physical and aggressive, and we knew exactly what we wanted to get out of this game, and the coaches did a great job with the game plan, and we executed.
Kur buvo didžiausias skirtumas gynyboje palyginus su praėjusią savaitę rungtynėse su Miuncheno Bayernu, kai varžovai pelnė beveik 100 taškų, šiandien dvigubai beveik mažiau praleido taškų.
Just consistency. We were, I think, physical the entire game. We didn't have any quarters off. We were extremely focused, and it showed.
Po pertraukėlės vėl pasirodė į starto penketę. Ar tai pačiam leido geriau užsivest rungtynėse, geriau jas pradėti ir geriau įsivažiuoti į tą visą dvikovą?
I definitely enjoy starting. I think definitely is a part of my game, but nonetheless, it doesn't matter. You just got to stay ready at all times.
Kaip pavyko tęsti rungtynes, kai tie ir geri laisvi metimai neįkrito visai komandai, atrodė Alba trečiame ketvirtyje energijos daugiau pajungė, pataikė ir savo pirmą tritaškį, tai kaip pavyko iš to momento išsirutuliuoti ir iškovoti pergalę?
We knew what this game meant to us, and we definitely weren't going to let that lead go. And like I said, our main goal today was just to be consistent the entire game.
9 blokuoti metimai, Žalgirio absoliutus sezono rekordas, beveik dvigubai pagerintas nei ankstesnis geresnis rezultatas. Ar tai irgi indikatorius, kad šiandien buvot piktesni, buvot pasiruošę dirbti gynyboje iki nugrįvimo?
I think that definitely shows energy and focus and determination. So we didn't give up on any plays today, even when they felt like they were open, we were there. And it wasn't just one of us, it was 2, 3, 4. Everybody was just working hard tonight.
Ignai, kaip reikia išlaikyti tą visą gynybinį darbą, žinant, kad jau ketvirtadienį žaisit su kito lygio komanda, drąsiai galima sakyti Milano ekipa. Kaip reikia tęsti tos darbus gynyboje su tokia komanda?
It's definitely even a bigger game for us, and we just got to keep that same energy, keep that chip on our shoulder, and stay extremely focused and consistent defensively. And whether we make shots or not, our defensive intensity shouldn't change.